Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need two things now: WhatsApp and a voice changer app with mic access. Open the changer, grant microphone and storage permissions, then pick live or record mode. Live applies effects while you speak, record lets you tweak later. Select a mid-range quality like 128 kbps so files stay small but clear. Once done, record a short test clip. Make sure to keep the app and WhatsApp in the foreground if you plan to record live, to avoid background kills. Now you edit. Open your recorded clip and preview several effects until one sounds natural yet altered. Once chosen, trim silence and reduce noise with the app's gate or noise reduction so WhatsApp won't compress it harshly. Adjust pitch by small amounts. Extreme shifts get unreadable. After polishing, export to MP3 or OGG. If you want it as a native voice note, convert to 16 to 32 kbps Opus. Otherwise, export M. To finish, send the modified audio as a document so WhatsApp won't recompress it. Tap Attach, Document, then select your file. Alternatively, play the altered track on speaker and record a WhatsApp voice note if you need a live delivery. Make sure the recipient can play MP3 or OGG. If something goes wrong, file rejected or poor quality, check app permissions first, then re-export in a common format like MP3 or convert to a lower bitrate. That fix resolves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.